Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm just doing a quick review on a set of the Lozagu hex screwdriver set. I thought it would be um, very beneficial for everybody to know if you're into FPV or small electronics or whatever. This little tiny set comes with 0.7 millimeter all the way up to 3 millimeter, and then it has your standard American or SAE sizes as well, from 0.035 inches up to 1/8 of an inch, I believe. Um, correct. So it goes from zero point 0.7 to 3 mil for metric, and then 0.035 to 1/8 inch. It contains a lot of screwdrivers in here. It's 14-piece set. Comes with this nice container here with a lid on it. I actually used my lid for holding my solder cleaner. Then I just put some two-sided tape on my soldering pad and held it in there. So, like I said, just wanted to do a real quick review on it. Here is the brand, and don't be lazy. You can go look it up on the internet yourself. Lozagu. Help somebody. They are nice. I don't see any of these ever being able to be broke. I imagine you're probably going to strip out a screw before you break one of these things. But they got some nice little detail to it. Um, I can't complain at all, man. Size. Looks like it'll probably fade off if I get anything on. Tips are magnetic, and they're actually a strong magnet too. I can show you that real quick. Why not? Don't want to make the video short, but this is just a frame screw. Anyways, um, cool screwdrivers. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.